High above the open water, the journey of natural pearls begins.
Steer left, heading to row 14.
Below the surface, oysters slowly build layer after layer of nacre.
Shell texture reveals the health of each oyster.
Salinity steady. Perfect.
Only healthy oysters continue their ocean cycle.
Row 32 complete, moving on.
Once matured, oysters are collected with extreme care. Shells intact. Proceed to washing.
Batch 47, careful with the trays.
Once harvested, oyster batches are transported directly to the intake facility. Every tray is cataloged and guided through a controlled cleaning system. All water passes through industrial filters to reduce waste.
Increase rotation by 3%.
Shell integrity looks solid. Move to wash station 2.
Row complete, take the hell out, shift to the extraction room.
All emergency stops responsive.
Extraction team, trays incoming.
Cleaned and prepared, the oysters now move toward the most delicate part of the journey.
Cleaned and prepared, the oysters now move toward the most delicate part of the journey. The extraction hole opens, where precision and technique unfold. Every tool is sterilized with strict purity standards.
Hygiene remains the highest priority.
The cleaned oysters arrive, ready for the delicate extraction. Each shell is positioned securely for careful opening. Expert technicians open the shells with practiced precision. Expert technicians open the shell's oyster with practiced precision. Inside lies the forming chamber of the pearl. Using micro tools, pearls are gently lifted from their chamber. Inside the extraction hall, every motion follows a perfected rhythm. Skilled technicians. Once extracted, each pearl enters the final refinement phase, polishing for perfect shine, grading for flawless accuracy. Here, every pearl faces the strictest evaluation standards.
Gloves secured, tools sanitized, workstation clear.
Each batch arrives secured, labeled, and ready for precision testing.
Increase magnification.
Check surface break.
Every pearl must meet strict circularity benchmarks.
Clear. No contamination detected.
Only the strongest pearls move forward.
This one passes. Move it to premium grading.
Each pearl that leaves this hall is certified perfection.
The processed pearls enter a hall designed for exact sorting. Every tray is inspected before entering the automated sorting system.
Hygiene remains the highest priority.
The cleaned oysters arrive, ready for the delicate extraction. Even with automation, human expertise ensures perfection.
Keep the batch moving smoothly, maintain alignment.
Trays are organized to maximize inspection accuracy.
All stations sanitized, gloves replaced, ready to continue.
From overhead, every movement is part of a precise choreography.
Sorted and verified, the pearls are now ready for final grading and packaging. Pearls arrive for the final, most critical evaluation.
Trays are organized meticulously to maintain order and efficiency.
Focus on shine and surface integrity. No imperfections allowed.
MyTech scanners conferred roundness, size, and symmetry.
This batch matches the premium criteria. Approve. Pass.
Even with technology, human expertise ensures perfection.
All stations verified, ready for final processing.
Every pearl is secured for the next stage of luxury assembly.
From above, the precision and harmony of the grading hall is visible.
Graded, verified, and perfected, these pearls are now ready for their journey into luxury craftsmanship.
Here, precision and artistry combine to transform pearls into jewelry.
Each pearl is carefully organized for the next step in craftsmanship.
This sequence highlights the natural luster perfectly.
Each pearl is fitted into its setting with exacting care.
Gentle polishing enhances natural shine while preserving integrity.
No scratches, perfect alignment, flawless shine.
Safety and hygiene remain a top priority in every step of assembly.
Every piece is secured in its custom packaging for presentation.
From above, the precision and harmony of the assembly hall is revealed.
Every piece is secured in its custom packaging for presentation.
Every piece is handled with care, ensuring perfect presentation for delivery.
Confirm alignment and cleanliness. Ready to seal.
Boxes are sealed and labeled accurately, maintaining traceability and safety.
Packages are carefully moved to the logistics area for secure transfer.
With packaging complete, the luxury pieces are ready to reach their destination.
Every piece reflects the meticulous care, precision, and artistry of the entire process.
From careful extraction to expert assembly, each step combines human skill and advanced technology.
The journey ends with perfectly packaged treasures, ready to reach discerning customers worldwide.
Witness the transformation from raw pearls to stunning luxury treasures.
Join thousands of viewers discovering the secrets of luxury craftsmanship. Your support counts.
Subscribe now and explore the world of exclusive craftsmanship behind the scenes of the most luxurious creations.